Welcome to Elementary Algebra. The book is by Harold Jacobs. I'm your presenter, Molly Crocker. This material is copyrighted. Look at that! We're at the review for Chapter 1. Let's review some terminology. Grab a slip of paper and write down some answers. Did you get the right answers? By now you should know this stuff. What do you call things that are added and subtracted? What do you call things that are multiplied? Pieces that are added and subtracted are called terms. Pieces that are multiplied are called factors. Which one of these is correct? A over B becomes which one of those? It's the second one, the one on the right. What's the order of operations? Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Fraction bars, that is, that bar between the top and the bottom of a fraction, act in two ways. What are they? The fraction bar means division. It also implies grouping. What happens when we add one, or subtract, or multiply and divide by 1? What happens when we add, subtract, multiply, or divide by 0? When we add 1, we get 1 more. When we subtract 1, we get 1 less. When we multiply or divide by 1, the number does not change. When we add or subtract 0, the number does not change. When we multiply by 0, we get 0. When we divide by 0, the result is undefined. What do we mean by an identity element? What are the identity elements for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division? An identity element for an operation does not change the number when used. 0 is the identity element for addition and subtraction, and 1 is the identity element for multiplication. Here is some practice for reading diagrams. Pause the video here and do this exercise. In other words, you're matching A through O, letter A through letter O, with diagrams 1 through 15. Pause the video, make the matches, and then I'll read the answers. A is 1, B is 10, C is 12, D is 9, E is 11, F is 13, G is 8, H is 4, I is 14, J is 2, K is 3, L is 15, M is 5, N is 6, and O is 7. Wait, there's a test? Yes. The summary and review set 1 problems and set 2 problems are a complete run-through for the test. In the past, my best students would do both sets, then check their answers for the set 2 problems because they're in the back of the book. And then, based on what they learned from correcting those answers, they might go and redo the set 1 problems that were similar to the set 2 problems that they got wrong. The best advice I can give you is that yes, there will be problems like this on the test. Don't think there won't be. If you don't know how to do any of them, then this is your last chance to get assistance from your instructor. You know how to reach your instructor. You know how to reach me. The following 2 slides are show the set 1 answers for review set 1. If you're in a class, then after you do your set 1 and set 2 reviews, you can come here and then check your answers together. That's all for now.